हेलो दोस्तों, आप सभी को स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पर। आज हम वीकली करंट अफेयर का दूसरा पार्ट डिस्कशन करेंगे, जो कि 31 जुलाई से लेकर 7 अगस्त तक की है। इसमें सारी इम्पोर्टेंट करंट अफेयर हम डिस्कशन करेंगे। और चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का पहला क्वेश्चन। मेरा पहला क्वेश्चन है, बायोटेक प्राइड गाइडलाइंस हैज़ बीन डेवलप्ड बाय व्हिच वन डिपार्टमेंट? आंसर इज डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ बायोटेक्नोलॉजी। Question number 2. The NISAR satellite is a joint mission of which Indian organization? Answer is ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. इनका CEO है डॉक्टर के सिवन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. The Karikal Kanke Santhwari is a ferry service of India with which country? Answer is Sri Lanka. Question number 4. Who has improved his own men's 3000 meters steeplechase national record recently? Answer is Avinash Sable. Question number 5. Which country will be the president of the United Nations Security Council for August? Answer is India. Question number 6. Which country's president Rodrigo Duterte fully restored the key defense pact on the presence of US troops? Answer is Philippines. Question number 7. India with which country will virtually co-host the 4th annual Indo-Pacific Business Forum? Answer is USA. Question number 8. A सामाजिक अधिकारिता शिविर for the distribution of assistive device and aids to Divyangjan took place in which state? Answer is मध्य प्रदेश। मध्य प्रदेश का सीएम है शिवराज सिंह चौहान और इसका गवर्नर है मंगूभाई चंगाभाई पटेल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. How many tiger reserves of India have received the Global Conservation Assured Tiger Standards? Answer is 14. Question number 10. What is the rank of India in terms of the impact of automation commissioned by Autodesk Foundation? Answer is 5th. Question number 11. Korpat is an exercise of India with which country? Answer is Indonesia. Question number 12. Every year World Ranger Day is observed on which date? Answer is July 31. Question number 13. The ICT Working Group of India with which country launched a report titled The Future of Connectivity in India? Answer is USA. Question number 14. Many Pali house, which is a kind of greenhouse, will be built under the Krishi Karna project in which state? Answer is Kerala. इनका सीएम है पिनाराई विजयन और गवर्नर है पी सताशिवम आरिफ मोहम्मद खान। क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. Ismail Haniyeh has been re-elected as leader of which Islamist group? Answer is Hamas. Important question है। Question number 16. Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi will launch which payment solution? Answer is e-rupee. Question number 17. Who took charge as the new Controller General of Accounts? Answer is Deepak Das. Question number 18. YouTube has signed a definitive agreement to buy which video shopping app? Answer is SimSim. Question number 19. Who has become the new Prime Minister of Myanmar? Answer is Myun Aung Hlaing. Question number 20. Who won the Bharat Keshari Wrestling Dangal 2021 organized in Tamil Nadu? So answer is Labhanshu Sharma. Question number 21. Muslim Women Rights Day is being celebrated all over the country on which date? So answer is August 1. Question number 22. Elimar Rosas of which country created a new world record in women's triple jump in Olympic 2021? So answer is Venezuela. Question number 23. Who will assume the appointment of the Director General of Artillery? So answer is Tarun Kumar. Question number 24. Kuthiran tunnel is in which state? So answer is Kerala. Question number 24. Who has been chosen for the prestigious Lokmanya Tilak National Award for 2021? So answer is Cyrus Poonawalla. Question number 25. Who won the esteemed Will Eisner Comic Industry Award? So answer is Anand Radhakrishnan. Question number 26. Who has been appointed as the ambassador of Italian luxury हॉल बुल्गारी? सो ये एक वॉच कंपनी है. सो इसका आंसर है प्रियंका चोपड़ा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 27. स्ट्रिका वॉच अनवेल्ड एट अ डांस फैक्ट्री इन व्हिच स्टेट? सो आंसर इज तमिलनाडु. क्वेश्चन नंबर 28. Which one has become the first Indian city to accomplish 100% COVID-19 vaccination? सो आंसर इज भुवनेश्वर, जो कि उड़ीसा में है. उड़ीसा का सीएम है श्रीयुक्त नवीन पटनायक. क्वेश्चन नंबर 29. दलित बंधु प्रोग्राम हैज बीन लॉन्च्ड इन व्हिच स्टेट? सो आंसर इज तेलंगाना. Question number 30. Who participated in the G20 Culture Ministers meeting on behalf of the Government of India? So answer is मीनाक्षी लेखी, जो कि हमारा मिनिस्टर ऑफ एक्सटर्नल अफेयर्स ऑफ इंडिया एंड साइंस. So question number 31. Who wrote the theme song for the Indian Paralympic contingent? So answer is Sanjeev Singh. Question number 32. Which country took over the presidency of the UN Security Council? So answer is India. Question number 33. Who has won the Hungarian Grand Prix 2021? So answer is Esteban Ocon. Question number 34. Who has authored the book titled In an Ideal World? So answer is Kunal Basu. Question number 35. Which state policy dispatched pink protection project for the assurance of ladies openly private advanced spaces? So answer is Kerala. Question number 36. Who has been reappointed as the Prime Minister of Armenia? So answer is Nikol Pashinyan. So आर्मेनिया का कैपिटल है येरेवान एंड करेंसी है ड्रम. क्वेश्चन नंबर 37. Which country's military has extended emergency for 2 years? So answer is Myanmar. Question number 38. Which country has rolled out the first train for metro coach of which city? So answer is Pune. Question number 39. Which IIT has launched the country's first consortium for virtual reality? So answer is IIT Madras. Question number 40. Lamont Marshall Jacobs, who won Olympic gold in the men's 100 meters, belongs to which country? So answer is Italy. Question number 41. Which university has been recognized the district green champion for the academic year 2021? So answer is Chitkara University. Question number 42. A hotline was established between the Indian Army and the People's Liberation Army of China at Gangrala in which state? So answer is Sikkim. Question number 43. Which organization is said to launch the second mission of its Boeing Orbital Flight Test 2? So answer is NASA. Question number 44. Which space agency launched Eutelsat Quantum into space? So answer is ESA, that is European Space Agency. Question number 45. Deaf Expo 2022 is to be held in which state? So answer is Gujarat. Question number 46. Which bank has been honored as the global winner for most innovative in digital banking? So answer is DBS, that is Digital Bank of Singapore. Question number 47. Who became the first brand ambassador of Homeland? So answer is MS Dhoni. Question number 48. Which state has launched Harit Store? Harit Store. So answer is Haryana. Question number 49. INS Khanjar has become the first Indian Navy ship to call at the Heritage Coast in which state? So answer is Odisha. Question number 50. Which country has become the fifth country to sign off with the ISA? So answer is Germany. ISA means International Solar Alliance. So question number 51. Which country is to sell Harpoon to India? So answer is USA. Question number 52. The first G20 cultural ministers meeting was held in which country? So answer is Italy. Question number 53. Indian government had approved an MOU between IIST and which country? So answer is Netherlands. Question number 54. Author the book titled My Own Magajan. My Own Mazagan. So answer is Ramesh Babu. Question number 55. How many Indian companies have found a place in 2021 Fortune's Global 500 list? So answer is 7. That is 7 company. Question number 56. Who authored the book titled Leopard Diaries, the Research in India? So answer is Sanjay Gubi. Question number 57. Who took charge as MD of LIC? So answer is Minnie Pe. LIC का फुल फॉर्म है लाइफ इंश्योरेंस कॉर्पोरेशन. So question number 58. Who has been crowned Miss India USA 2021 at the beauty pageant? So answer is Vaidehi Dongre. Question number 59. Who won the 2021 Maharashtra Bhushan Puraskar given by the Maharashtra government? So answer is Asha Bhosle. Question number 60. Which country's Shahroz Kasif becomes the world's youngest mountaineer to scale Mount K2? So answer is Pakistan. Question number 61. Who has been appointed as the new Lokayukta of Maharashtra? So answer is B.M. Khande. Question number 62. BRO has constructed and blocked up the highest road in the world at in which state? So answer is Ladakh. Is a union territory. 63. Which state has launched the first of its kinds earthquake early warning mobile application? So answer is Uttarakhand. Question number 64. Which one is the most endangered turtle in the world? So answer is Swinhoe subshell. इसका पिक्चर यहाँ पर है Swinhoe subshell. Question number 65. Indian wrestler Ravi Kumar Dahiya bagged the Olympic medal. So answer is silver. Question number 66. Who authored the book titled Walkout Airstrike How India Avenged Pulwama? So answer is Manan Bhatt. Question number 67. Who has received Canada's coveted Order of British Columbia Award, the province's highest honor? So answer is Ajay Dilwari. Question number 68. Which country has approved its first arms sales worth $750 million to Taiwan? So answer is USA. Question number 69. It is an important question. What is the rank of India in the Global Hunger Index? So answer is 94. Question number 70. Which union territory will soon have water villas similar to those in the Maldives? So answer is Lakshadweep. Question number 71. Pani Maha campaign was launched in which state or union territory to create awareness about clean water? So answer is Ladakh. Question number 72. Which bank has crossed over 1 million customers on its WhatsApp banking channel? So answer is Axis Bank. Question number 73. Which state signed MOU with Walmart Vridhi and Hakdarshak Company? Walmart Vridhi and Hakdarshak Company. So answer is Haryana. Question number 74. Who has been appointed as the Director of the Zoological Survey of India? So answer is Dhriti Banerjee. Question number 75. Which state has launched the Coronavirus Death Information Portal? So answer is Kerala. Question number 76. Ibrahim Raisi was sworn in as the new president of which country? So answer is Iran. Question number 77. Which state launched an initiative to make it a global city by 2047? So answer is Delhi. Question number 78. The Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award will be renamed by which name? So answer is Major Dhyanchand Khel Ratna Award. So आज का लास्ट क्वेश्चन है which port become the first major port in India to launch e-cars? So आंसर है जी VOC पोर्ट. सो दोस्तों आज का सेशन यहीं पर ख़त्म होता है. आपको ये सेशन अच्छा लगे तो मेरे चैनल को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर कीजिए.